Hey everybody, this is lesson 6.5. This is an example from your classwork, problem number 3. -5 multiplied by x minus 10 equals -35. What we're looking to do is isolate the variable and bounce the equation. So we have to undo the operations being done to the variable in reverse order using the inverse operations. Since I don't know what x is, I cannot do anything with this parentheses yet, but what I can do is I can get rid of what's in front of the parentheses. How do I undo multiplying by -5 by dividing by -5? Now, because this is a math equations must be kept equal. Whatever I do on the left side of the equation, I must do on the right side of the equation. That's called balancing the equation by doing the same operation to both. On the left side, any number divided by itself is just 1, and 1 multiplied by x minus 10 is just going to be x minus 10. Okay, I've isolated sum of one of the steps. So now I can bring down the x minus 10 and I don't need the parentheses anymore because there's only a 1 there, and multiplying by 1 doesn't do anything. On the right, -35 divided by -5. A negative divided by a negative is a positive. So I'm going to get a positive 7. X minus 10 equals 7. So now I have to isolate the variable
Isolate the variable
by doing the inverse operation,
Then what do I have to say?
which would be adding 10
Isolate the variable
and bounce the equation.
Isolate the variable and bounce the equation.
Thank you. So I'm going
Then
to
what are you counting?
-10 and positive 10 are opposites. They make 0, so they cancel out. I've now isolated the variable. And then 7 plus 10 is 17. Okay, so the solution for number 3 is x equals 17. For all of your problems today, we have to do a check step. So we're going to take our solution and we are going to substitute the 17 into our two-step equation and make sure that the left side and the right side are still equal to each other. Excuse me, Melody and Shane. So, Shane, thank you for... Say hi, everybody. Okay. That's 4 years old for you. All right. So now I'm going to take my 17 and I'm going to substitute it into the original equation. So now we follow order of operations. Shane, thank you so much. Daddy needs to show his students the work now. All right. So we do our order of operations. We do the parentheses first. This is called the two-step equation, Melody. It uses inverse operations.
The equation.
Yes. So 17 minus 10. Okay.
I want to do the bounce equation video of mine. Do we still have it?
Okay. So.
Daddy, we still have the bounce equation. Yeah.
Yes, we still have it.
Can we do it?
Yes. Okay. After Daddy's finished. All right. So.
Hey, how do I look?
You look beautiful.
I have you have this short and the knuckles and braces and by a slipper and boba sides and an orange chocolate.
That's great. Okay. So 17 minus 10 is 7.
And by a slipper.
Shane, go play. Go play. I'll see you in... Daddy's almost done. You have to let Daddy finish. Okay. So -5 multiplied by 7. We have different signs. So you get a negative. And 5 times 7 is -35. So the left side and the right side of the equation are equal to each other. So that means our solution is correct and our check step worked. 4-year-olds are fun. Never a boring day. Okay, so I hope this video helped. Remember, the answer for number 3, the solution is x equals 17. For your check step, it should look like this. You have 4 lines of work, and you show that the left side equals the right side. For every problem today, you're doing a check step. As always, okay, send me any questions you have. I'd be happy to help. This is the last lesson before our test, so make sure you ask questions if you need them, and be on the lookout for your assignment in the classwork section.